Welcome to our YouTube video on how to clear broadcast chat without media on WhatsApp. In this full guide, we will show you the simple steps to clear your broadcast chat without deleting the received media. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Tap your broadcast. Locate the broadcast chat you want to clear and tap on it to open the chat. Step 3. Tap the three dots at the top right of the screen. On the top right corner of the screen, you will see 3 vertical dots. Tap on these dots to access more options. Step 4. Tap More. From the options that appear, select More to access additional settings and features. Step 5. Tap Clear Chat. Within the More options, you will find Clear Chat. Tap on it to proceed. Step 6. A confirmation prompt will appear with the option to delete media received. Unmark this option to clear the chat without deleting the received media. Step 7. Tap Clear Chat. Finally, tap on Clear Chat again to confirm and clear the broadcast chat without media. By following these easy steps, you can clear your broadcast chat without deleting the received media on WhatsApp. Now let's dive into the details and manage your chat history more effectively.